3.1 Meyer, Court Reasoning. Reasoning 1. High Court examined scope of state police powers in promotion of social order and language assimilation through modern education of the youth, of which the intent itself cannot supersede U.S. constitutional guarantees on personal liberty. Hence, court reviewed, number 1, constitutional guarantees, number 2, scope of state police powers, number 3, educator and the educatee. Number 1, constitutional guarantees. U.S. 14th Amendment expounds liberty as not merely freedom from bodily restraint, but also the right of the individual to contract, to engage in any of the common occupations of life, to acquire useful knowledge, to marry, establish a home, and bring up children, to worship God according to the dictates of his own conscience, and generally to enjoy those privileges long recognized at common law as essential to the orderly pursuit of happiness by free men. Thus, this intersection of personal liberty, contract, worship, and acquired knowledge is the focal point of assessment. Hence, fundamental aspect of this federal constitutional compact with the consent of the governed, this liberty may not be interfered with under the guise of protecting the public interests by legislative action which is arbitrary or without reasonable relation to some purpose within the competency of the state to effect.